Today, technology has left the company data center, bypassed the office, and gone mobile. From ordering our coffee to ordering a cab, mobile technology is now a seamless experience with great customer service already built in. But when it comes to the workplace, traditional service management solutions that should make people's lives easier often lag behind the consumer-like service we've come to expect. Clunky interfaces, fragmented processes, and slow response times can drive employees to the breaking point. The result? Lower user adoption rates and the increase of costly shadow IT practices that risk your company's security and drain your IT budget. There is a better way. EasyVista is reinventing service management for the mobile user, making it easy to deliver and easy to use. Whether ordering a new keyboard or onboarding a new employee, EasyVista automates and personalizes service delivery without a line of code, radically improving the service experience, dramatically simplifying and accelerating services, and reducing and controlling the total cost of service delivery. EasyVista is the only solution that's purpose-built as a mobile-first experience. It works on any device, so it's accessible from anywhere, providing the modern, elegant experience today's users expect. There's no code to write or months of development. Instead, you get award-winning drag-and-drop workflow, over 400 configuration wizards, widgets, and personalized dashboards, all available on the go with just one click. EasyVista also delivers services in a third of the time it takes other vendors to put their tools into production, and at less cost. With EasyVista Apps Builder, your users experience a new, modernized corporate IT. Adoption rates grow and you regain control and visibility while delivering unprecedented value across the enterprise. 20 years in the making, EasyVista is built on a trusted and powerful management platform used by more than 1,000 customers worldwide. We are committed to our customers' success, as evidenced by our 98% retention rate. When it comes to choosing service management, choose the only mobile-first solution that's easy to deliver and easy to use. The choice is easy. EasyVista. What next? Take a site tour and see under Resources what others say about us. Try the EasyVista mobile app for yourself, or contact us for a live demo at www.easyvista.com.